Today, let me teach you how to use Pandora on multiple devices. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. If you're trying to listen to Pandora on multiple devices and log into Pandora on multiple devices, let's talk about a few things that you need to know. Now, in terms of just logging into your Pandora account on multiple devices, you freely can do that. You can log into Pandora on your phone, on your laptop, on your web browser, on your desktop app as well. There are no restrictions for it. But however, if you are trying to play a song inside of Pandora simultaneously, there is a limitation. So if you head over to the upgrade button and head over to the family plan of the premium version, it says right here up to 6 accounts. So only if you have the family premium plan of Pandora, you'll be able to play songs on multiple devices simultaneously. Unless you have this exact account and you try to play a different song on a different device, this song on the previous device will first of all stop, and only then you'll be able to play it on a different device. So that is the downside. Even though you can log into multiple devices, you cannot play songs simultaneously unless you have this premium Pandora account. But however, if you're just trying to log into multiple devices, you can easily do it without any restrictions. So that's basically it for today's video. That was a quick guide on the way that you can use Pandora on multiple devices. If you guys are interested in more future videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.